guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys, we're going to be making our player jump over obstacles, so if they ever get stuck we will be able to make them jump over it and they won't be able to get stuck. As you may notice, I didn't put my camera on today. I just didn't feel like it. I just didn't want to waste time to switch to the camera, so yeah. I actually forgot to open Unity for the first time, so let's open up Unity and then just open up your Cody Kart Racer, your racer, and yeah. Okay, so in the last video we made our camera. We finished our camera. You can move with your mouse, stuff like that. There we go, you can move everywhere. And the problem sometimes is that when we go, so I'll show you in a second example. Go to scenes, sorry, not scenes, go to prefabs, then scenery, then track, oh yeah, okay, there we go. And then you'll see, I'm just gonna pick any track, it doesn't really matter. Just pick one track, and as you can see, it's pretty big. All you want to do to make it smaller is do everything on, I like to do it on 0.5, just put everything on 0.5 at the bottom. Just change the size, there we go, 0.5, there we go. So that's the size now, way better. Yeah, okay, so that's way better. Wait, let me just get a bit wait. Okay. So I'm just gonna move it a bit. You can move it wherever you want on your black area. You can even make your black area a bit bigger, but I think mine will fit. Yep, it will. Wait, no, it won't. Yeah, it will. Yeah, it will. Okay, so yeah, mine will fit, but yeah. But anyway, so as you can see, this is that we're not gonna be using these tracks. We may use them, but I don't know yet. We might use them. I have no clue, but if you want, you can use it. Just don't change anything here. Just change the size at the bottom here. Don't change anything else. Just change the size, and then I'll show you one thing. We're not gonna get all the code done in today's video because there is so much code for this thing that you won't even believe it. So sometimes, oh my god, I'm a very bad driver. I need my driving lessons. Oh god. Okay, so one sec. Let me try to learn how to drive this car, and then I'll show you the example I was going to show. So, oh my, okay, yeah, okay, that's okay. Did you see it got stuck? That's what I mean by stuck. It sometimes gets stuck on a object or something, and it can't jump itself back up. So let me just it works better on the racetrack usually. Wait. Oh, okay. Back, forward, turn. No. Okay. So if you were to go up, look, see, it can't jump over it. It just gets stuck. It can't go over it for some reason. It's because we haven't made the jump variable. It just crashes into it. It's because it doesn't have a jump variable yet. It should be it should be running over the racetrack, but instead it doesn't. And no matter how far you go, it doesn't work. Okay, yeah, I'm not even gonna bother. But yeah, no matter how far you go, you can't get on it in any way like that. So yeah. So we're just going to change that in today's video. We're not going to write all the code because it will be way too much code, obviously. So, yeah. Wait, let me just delete this. Yes, delete. Okay, so, anyway, you just want to make a new script. Create C# script. And then you want to make your jump script. Oh, there we go. Okay, now you want to go in it. Usual, a new script right here. There we go. Okay, so this is our new script, brand new, nothing is changed. You want to go to this line right here and make two of these thingies, I don't know what you call them, parentheses that are not squiggly, and you want to write require component, and then you want to write a bracket, and then you want to type of, and then another parenthesis, and then you want to write rigid body, and then that's it. That's the code for right now. And we're just gonna write another. These are just variables, so we're gonna write a public bool, and is grounded. So we're gonna be our wheels are gonna be stuck to the ground still, but they're just not gonna like fly or something. So we're just gonna go is grounded, like your parents grounded you, but like the code grounded. Yeah. And then a semicolon, and then we're gonna write public float, another float variable, and then jump force. This is how much jump power it has. So when it goes over something, it can and so it whenever you like try. Remember we like tried to in Unity. We went like right here. Wait, let me come down a bit. So we went right here and it just crashed us. It didn't move. That's because we didn't have any jump force. It couldn't jump over it. So we have to have some jump force. So yeah, we're gonna make a variable of that. We're not gonna finish everything. Just saying, it's not gonna be like a speedy video. We're not gonna finish everything, so don't think we are. We're just gonna write a couple variables, and we're gonna have probably like 2 parts to this. Second part will be next video. But yeah, and then jump force, obviously jump, and then force with a capital F. Make sure you do that, and then public, and then vector 3, so it's our new jump variable, and then you want to write jump value, so it's the value of our jump, how high it goes, how powerful it is, and then semicolon. Oh wait, my bad, don't add a capital J there, lowercase j, and then last variable we're gonna write in today's video is rigid body. It sounds quite weird, but yeah, just write it down and I'll explain what it does. So just do so write rigid body with a capital R. There we go, it types it for me. Okay, and then rigid body with a lowercase r, rigid body. There we go, and semicolon. So the rigid body is basically the new position you're going to be in. If you jump over this, say you're right here, right? You're right here. You're going to jump over, so you jump over this. You're going to be right here, right? You're not going to be all the way back here, right? If you jump from here, you're not going to be all the way there where my mouse is pointing. So you can see why we have a rigid body. Otherwise, it would actually crash our game very bad. Well, it would bug our game, and whenever we try to jump over it, it would go to the side over here. It might even go up around here, through here. It might even end up right here. I'm not even joking. Some people have ended up with this. So yeah, definitely make sure you be careful with that. Make sure you write that rigid body, because that is very important, that line. So yeah, that is basically it for today's video. Just save your code right here. You might have a green underline here. That's because we have run into an error, but we're going to fix that all in the next video. So just save all, don't stress out, save all, exit out of Unity, and make sure to save Unity with it. So save, go, and then exit. And then now that is it for today's video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I just turned my camera on for this. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all